Okay, so hi dear Cancer, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 29th of June till the 5th of July 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading, healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see, Cancer. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Four of Swords. This is somebody who feels like either taking a break or space, or they are on a healing spree right now. Maybe they are heartbroken, like not heartbroken, like in the sense that they are not able to operate in their life. There might be some kind of painful experiences they are trying to heal in their life. Maybe not regarding this situation. Let's clarify the Four of Swords as their feelings for you. I have the Two of Swords and the Nine of Cups and the Two of Wands. Yep. They're on the crossroads. They're not able to understand whether this situation is giving them happiness or not anymore. And they're feeling like they should put the situation deliberately on hold, and or they should wait and watch and hope for the situation to improve. So this is somebody who feels like this is a deliberate choice of taking a break or taking a space from the situation. Maybe they're having choice between two people, two energies, and or this person is up in the air regarding the situation. Even though they consider this situation as wish fulfillment, they feel like right now they're not sure whether this is the right situation for them or not, and they feel like they should put the situation on hold and let's see what can happen next in the coming future in this situation, in this direction. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side? Yeah. What do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? We have the Nine of Wands. From your side, you feel like you're like a wounded warrior right now. You're hurt, and you feel like not giving up on the situation before giving it a last tough fight, maybe because you feel like you should fight for something that you believe in the situation. You're hurt, you're wounded because of their silence, maybe because of their distance, maybe, or because of their inability to make a choice or decision here. So let's clarify the Nine of Wands. It's having a very heavy impact on you as well, the way they are behaving and handling the situation. Let's clarify the Nine of Wands as your feelings. We have the Seven of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Ace of Swords. Yep, you're feeling like you're having your own suspicious energies regarding the situation. They feel like with you feel like with time everything is going to come out. Okay, so you feel like this person is hiding something or someone from you, and they're not telling it to you right now, but you feel like with time everything is going to be crystal clear and you guys are going to get the answer and the clarity right in front of you. And that is why you feel like not giving up on the situation 100%. Energetically you are still connected, and you feel like if not right now, the truth is going to come out at some point of time, and you feel like you should just wait and watch for the universe to step in and bring the truth and the clarity in the situation. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Okay, before proceeding further, let me invite you guys for my 10 days Osho meditation festival that's happening from 15th till the 14th of July 2026 from 4:30 till 5:30 in the evening. And no recordings will be provided. It's live sessions, and I can't provide the recordings because I'm not allowed to record Osho meditations. You are going to heal your inner child. You are going to heal a lot of trauma. A lot of pain is going to be released. You guys are going to feel much lighter and brighter and happier after the end of this 10 days workshop. And it is going to be totally different from your day to day routine meditations that you might have done till this point of your life. Osho meditations are totally different. So come with innocent childlike energy, start your healing or restart your healing journey or your spiritual journey. And if you want to enter into Osho's world, this is a really great chance opportunity. The fees is quite affordable. It's 5100 for 10 days workshop, for and for others it's 300 USD. It's going to be in Hindi and English both. So you guys are more than welcome to join me in this fantastic journey. I am looking forward to have you guys there. And I will post the reviews of the previous batch in the community post, and check that out. And I'll make a reel also for the same. Check that out. So don't forget to apply, and don't forget to read all the instructions and everything. Description box have the details, like the link. And I'll see you on the other side. I'm very excited, and it's going to be a lot of fun and life-changing events. Life-changing in the sense you're going to feel much more different than what you're feeling right now. Okay, a lot of trauma, pain, and healing is going to be released. Let's see. Let's say what this person's intentions are. Don't forget to check out the description box, and you can share the link with somebody who is interested in this kind of things. Let's see. Intention here is the Five of Cups. This person doesn't want to get hurt again. They are already dealing with certain kind of regrets and guilts and painful experiences in their life, and they just don't want to get hurt again. So what is happening here is this person is just trying to protect themselves from getting hurt, and you are taking it as they're hiding something from you. They're not telling you the whole truth. There is something that is suspicious about the situation. Let's clarify the Five of Cups as intentions from this person's side towards you, towards the situation. We have the Two of Pentacles, the Six of Wands, the Five of Cups. Yep. They just don't want to operate from this full of confusion kind of energy. They want to stabilize their own energies. They want to make sure that they are on the right track. They want to move on towards calmer water, stabilize their energies, and they want to come out of the pain that they are still carrying with themselves from the previous experiences. Then only they want to make any kind of choice or decision in this direction. This is what they want, and you might be taking it in a wrong way. So one of you is just needing their time and space for healing, and not to make the same kind of mistakes or repeat the same kind of mistakes. And the other person is taking it as like, oh my god, they are cheating on me, they're doing something horrible behind my back, and I'm not going to what should I say, I'm not going to forgive them and whatnot. If they have a history of cheating or something, then might be it is a deal. But right now, on the basis of these cards only, I don't think so. Yeah, you know better than me, of course. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? We have the Page of Pentacles. You want clarity, and then with that clarity, you want to keep things cordial and friendly. At least keeping things cordial and friendly, and starting from the scratch, knowing that this is what it is. Not changing anything, but having the proper clarity also. Okay, accepting the situation, but having clarity with this. Let's see. Let me tell you, Ace of Pentacles, the Sun card, and the Lovers. You don't want to change this person. You don't want to change their energies, but you just want to change the way they behave, the way they keep on hiding things. You want to have this brand new beginning, but you want everything crystal clear right in front of your eyes, whether they are going to choose you or somebody else. That doesn't matter to you. You're okay with them choosing somebody else, you're okay with them choosing you. But as long as things are crystal clear between you guys, as long as they are not hiding, they are not behaving like a suspicious murderer kind of a person, you are good to go. Yeah, you are accepting, you are ready to accept the truth and the reality of the situation for what it is, and this person for who they are. But clarity, crystal clear clarity, and understanding what's going on and what's going to happen next is very important for you guys in order to move forward with or without this person. That's what you want. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys, Cancer, till the 5th of July 2026. We have the High Priestess. Okay, silence. I do see silence here. A lot of silence, mysterious, secretive kind of energies around the situation, whether you are doing it or they are doing it. Somebody here is, they're not actually, I don't think so, they are deliberately, consciously trying to hurt you or something. They're just trying to choose the best for themselves. That's what's happening. I have the Nine of Wands and the Three of Wands and the Magician. Yep. It's like somebody keeping their guards up and they are manifesting some kind of energy of moving forward and getting the best possible outcome in their life. That's the outcome. This is a mysterious outcome. This is not a clear outcome, I understand. But somebody is manifesting this energy of coming out of all the painful experiences, everything that they have gone through in their life, and they're looking forward to have better opportunities, better day, and better life. That's it. Whether it's you or them or maybe both of you. So in silence, the manifestation is going on, but in the physical world, nothing is shifting, nothing is changing. In fact, everything is going to be the same as it is. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Cancer, for the situation. We have the Queen of Swords, the Page of Pentacles, the Empress. Yep. You know, if you're not getting what you want, the clarity, the answers, you have to get it within yourself. If you're not feeling comfortable with somebody's silence and somebody's switching your energies off, just leave them behind. Start taking baby steps towards your own growth, expansion, and happiness, and keep moving forward. Do not put your life on hold because something or someone is not able to give you the kind of response or kind of happiness that you want or kind of energies that you want, right? It's better for you guys to start taking baby steps towards your own happiness, towards your own growth and expansion, and moving forward with the freedom, with independence, that if somebody is giving you the kind of happiness or clarity that you want, good. If not, even if it is going to hurt you for some time, let it hurt you, let it burn you, let it transform you, but do not put your life on hold for anything or anyone on this planet earth, because they don't because you don't deserve to be put on hold. Okay. So if somebody is treating you like an option, if you feel like that, I don't think so they're doing that deliberately. So it's time for you to get your own reality check and keep moving forward. Let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life. Cancer, this portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. And I'm going to give you, okay, if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. So the answer to your question is go, the time is right. Go wherever the fuck. Let's see. When you receive this card, it is encouraging you to take action now. This is no time. There's no time like the present. Seize the moment. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.